Hey, what's up guys, this is your buddy back with another video tutorial. And in this tutorial I am going to tell you that how you can set up your Kali Linux 2016.2 which we have just installed in the previous tutorial. So when we have installed the Kali Linux into our VMware workstation, we have only allotted the 512 MB RAM, and if you have not allotted that RAM, then by default it will automatically gonna take 512 MB RAM. So we have to allot more RAM to the Kali Linux 2016.2 because it was very slow when we were using that Kali Linux. So let's allot some more RAM into the Kali Linux, and here I am using the Acer laptop, and this laptop is having the i3 processor and my laptop is having the 8 GB RAM. So let's open up our virtual machine. Now let me click on the Kali Linux, and then you need to go to the player, manage, virtual machine settings. I am going to assign 3 GB RAM to my virtual machine because I am having the 8 GB RAM into my laptop. So if you are having the 4 GB RAM in your laptop, then do not go above 1.5 GB RAM. Similarly, if you are having the 2 GB RAM, then do not go above 756 MB RAM, okay? Because your host operating system requires more RAM than your guest operating system, okay? So click on OK. Now what I am going to do is I will simply click on player again, and then I will go to the manage and virtual machine settings, and by default I will check out the network adapter, and the network adapter is set to net. It means it will gonna share the host IP address. So I just wanted to tell you, you should check out these settings, okay? Now click on OK. Now what I am going to do is I will connect my LAN cable which is coming out from my router into my laptop. Okay guys, so now I have connected the LAN cable into my laptop. Now it will gonna provide me the internet access. Let me power on my virtual machine. Hit enter. So we have done two settings into our virtual machine. First of all, we have allotted more RAM to our Kali Linux, and second one, we have made the internet connectivity to the Kali Linux, okay? The only way to provide the internet access to our virtual machine is to use the LAN cable, okay? If you will make the use of external USB Wi-Fi adapter, then you will only be able to use it for one time. Either you can use that external USB Wi-Fi adapter for your laptop, or you can use that external USB Wi-Fi adapter for your virtual machine. So it's better to use the LAN cable because that LAN cable will gonna provide the internet access to both of the operating system. Let me enter the default username and let me enter the password. Now what I am going to do is I am going to check the connection between my Windows machine and my Kali Linux. Since I have connected my LAN cable, so I must have the Ethernet interface up. Now what I am going to do is I will simply see the available interfaces, and we have the Ethernet 0 and the loopback interface. Now I will check out my IP address, and you can see guys, I have the Ethernet 0 up and its IP address is this. Now let me check out the IP address of my Windows machine. Let me type in here ipconfig-all. Now this is the IP address of my Windows machine, that is 192.168.1.5. Now let me ping my Windows machine from the Kali Linux .168.1.5, and you can see guys, I am able to ping my Windows machine. Now let me ping my Kali Linux from my Windows machine. Kali Linux IP address is 192.168.199.128. So let me ping it via Windows machine. Simply type in here ping 192.168.19.128, hit enter, and they can see guys, my Windows machine is able to ping the Kali Linux, okay? It means both machines can talk with each other. Now let me see the internet connectivity into my Kali Linux. Open up your Firefox browser. It comes with the Firefox browser by default, and they can see guys, I am able to open the Google. Let me open the youtube.com. and they can see guys, I am able to browse onto my Kali Linux as well. It means we have the perfect internet connectivity into our Kali Linux machine, and we have allotted more RAM as well. Now we are ready to do the penetration testing. Thanks for watching guys, and see you in the next tutorial.